video is an overview of your owner's portal. You should have received an email to access your owner's portal. Once you're logged in, it will bring you to the dashboard. The dashboard is an overview of the current status of your property. If we manage multiple properties for you, you can select the property you're interested in looking at by clicking the drop-down menu here. Next to that, you can filter the date of the month you would like to see an overview of. Under that, you have the cash in, cash out, any contribution that you made into your account, and any disbursements that were made to you during this month. Underneath that, you can see your packets that have been emailed to you, and you can download your packets from here. It's only going to show you the most recent packet that we've emailed to you on your dashboard. If you would like to see all of your packets, you can click See All. Underneath that, we have any rent that has been collected as of this date. And next to that, we have the percent of occupancy that your property is currently at. If you have a multifamily property with us, it will give you the percentage of that property that is occupied. Underneath that, you'll have your cash in. This is any cash that came into your account throughout the month. As you can see, we received 2 rent payments and a payment for city utilities. Underneath cash in is your cash out. This will show you any bills that have been paid out of your account throughout the month. On the Statements tab, you can view and download any statements that we have emailed throughout our management. On the Transactions tab, you can view any unpaid bills and transactions that have come in and out of your account throughout the month. This is very similar to the dashboard. On the Documents tab, this is where you can find your tenant's lease, any inspections that we've done, and your 1099 that has been shared with you. On the Properties tab, this is where any properties that we manage for you will be listed. If you have multiple properties with us, they will be listed here. On the Contributions tab, this is where you can click to submit a contribution into your account. And the last thing on your owner's portal is the Maintenance Approvals tab. This is where you can find and approve any estimates we have sent to you to be approved. You will get an email from us stating that you have an estimate to be approved. You can then log into your portal and approve it from here. All right, that is it for your owner's portal overview.